Welcome students, Standard 4th, subject EVS 1, and today's topic is lesson number 6, variety in food. So students, let's start our lesson. There is a conversation between a girl and her mother. A girl is speaking to her mother that, "Mother, today's food was delicious. Ma, tell me, what do you used in food to prepare this delicious food?" Therefore, mother said, "I used rice, spices, wheat, oil, lentils, ghee, vegetables, fruits, and milk." Our daily food includes food grains, lentils, vegetables, meat, fruits, eggs, milk, and fish, and other food items. Oil and ghee are also necessary ingredients in our diet, but they should be used in less quantity. Oil is made from mustard seeds, coconut, sunflower, sesame seeds, and groundnut. Ghee is made from milk and vegetables. Nutrition food. From milk we get cream, butter, curds, cottage cheese, and cheese. Now students, from which food items do we get proteins? We get proteins from meat, eggs, and fish. The staple food of the people varies according to the region. Students, now we will see food items made from rice. Idli, dosa, rice, modak, and bhakris are made from rice. Now students, we will see food items made from wheat. They are chapati, paratha, puris, and lapsi. Now students, open your textbook, page number 37. We will study how the distribution of crops varies in the different regions. So first one is, which food crop is grown on a large scale in the coastal region? And the answer is rice. Second one, which food crops are grown in North India? And the answer is wheat and jowar. Now third one, which is the major food crop in the central region? And the answer is wheat. Fourth one, rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India. Why is it this so? What will be the answer, students? The answer will be rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India because it has hot and humid climate and it gets heavy rainfall. Agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. The activity of cultivating crops is called agriculture. It is mainly depend on rainfall. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. Now students, we will see crops in high rainfall regions. Crops such as rice, coconut, ragi, and wari are grown. Wheat, tur, and soya bean are grown in regions of moderate rainfall. Now students, jawar, bajra, and moth beans are grown in regions of low rainfall. Mothbeans means matki. The availability of fruits varies according to the season. Different fruits are available in different seasons. For example, students, in summer season we get mangoes, jackfruits, chikkus, watermelons and jamuns. In rainy season we get bananas, apples, pears, plums, lychee and peach. And in winter season we get fruits such as grapes, oranges, guavas, strawberries, cherries and sweet limes. Now students, open your textbook, page number 39. Famous food items in Maharashtra and neighboring states. Maharashtra has 3 regions: Konkan region, Plateau region and Central region. The map given below depicts famous food items from Maharashtra and its adjoining state. Let us study the map and complete the table. Now students, look at this table. It is given district or state, food item and main ingredient. First one is in district Satara, Sangli, Solapur and Ahmednagar. Food item is jawar bhakri and the main ingredient is jawar. Second one is Nagpur and Wardha. Food item is orange barfi and main ingredient is orange. Third one, Kolhapur. Food item is white red mutton gravy and main ingredient is mutton. Fourth one is Goa. Food item is prawn curry and main ingredient is prawns. Fifth one, Andhra Pradesh. Food item is biryani and main ingredient is rice. The main crop grown in any region is used to make various items in that region. For example, jawar is grown on a large scale in the Plateau region of Maharashtra. Hurda, lhaya, papad, sandge, ambil, dhapate, dhirde, etc. are all preparation of jawar enjoyed in that region. In Konkan or the coastal region, rice, coconut and coconut oil are widely used. In central Maharashtra, jawar, bajra, groundnuts, soybean, sesame and mustard are more commonly used. Students, note that this variety in crops is due to change in climate and soil. The crops grown in a region determine the diet of the people in that region. Do you know, students, that some fruits and vegetables which were previously available only in certain season are now available all year round? There are several reasons for this. Availability of water throughout the year, availability of improved seeds, importing fruits and vegetables from various parts of the world, faster transport facilities. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.